What's up, people? Budokai here. This is a long time running, looking at some craziness on the internet and falling in love with something in particular called Thomas Balisong, the Refault. So let's check it out. Let's get into this unboxing. But yes, what a stressful situation trying to find the blade you want. I really wanted the Tanto. That's for sure. Frenzy, by the way. Very sharp. Probably the first thing I ever cut with this. But in any case, yeah, the style I wanted was the white G10, purple anodized, blacked out hardware and blade. But that shit disappeared. Anyway, let's get to this. Thank you, Amazon, for your support. Let's see this original. Comment, Balisong. What we got here? What does it say there? One second. Yeah, I was bugging out, so I bought what was left at the time, and within a couple of days, of course, they read up. There's really something pretty on there for the Bowie, the Silhouette. That Silhouette is pretty badass, similar to the other. All right, so yeah, you got the card, Refault, beautiful. Purple is my shit because that's royal colors. Bag, of course. We got the little baggy. Look at that. Like in a Bali's bit driver, but it looks even better. Like if it was a DeWalt one with the split, all the hardware you might need. I guess these are weights or extra Zen pins. I don't know. Let's see what happens. I should know this by now, but right now I'm a little frantic, trying to be slowed up. Is there something under here? Oh yeah, there is. Oh, nice. Yeah, the unboxing is excellent. So of course, this is the bottom of the barrel, the OG $69 one. Ooh, nice. Look at that. We got the green anodized with the black G10, which is pretty grippy. Pretty grippy. Nice weight. Do we have a blade? Yeah. We have that nice Tanto blade. Christ's sakes. For me, this is like a battleship Tanto. Anyway, let's see what we got. Let me try to stay in the screen. Tight. Feels real good. Yeah, it's a little bit thick, but not. It's about the size of a Volt, I guess. No. Yeah, edit that part. But in any case, this is pretty cool. Feels lighter than I thought. Let's see what we can do with this. Alright, peace.